Hello parents, I hope all our tots parents and children are staying safe and are indoors. We really miss our little tots and we miss being around with them. I hope they are having a good time at home. I am extremely happy to connect with all the tots parents and children. I hope all the parents have read the last notices that have been uploaded in the month of March. Also, class-wise, respective class teachers have sent notice, uploaded notice with the list of activities that they can do. I have uploaded a notice as a year-end letter with a lot of resources and activities for parents to do at home with their children. So we thought of connecting with all our little children at home, and we thought let them see us, and so we have collated a video with the activities children can do at home or things that they can do at home. In this list, it is more about life skill activities that we have collated together, and the best part is we have connected them with each letter. So with each letter we will give an activity that the children can do at home. In some videos we've used props, some videos we've showed actions that children can follow and do it. So stay tuned and watch the whole video to get a list of 26 activities. Also, this can also act as a recap of all the letters for our children. So stay tuned. So the first letter is A, and with A you have to be active the whole day. So get up from your couch and be active. You can also act like an animal, like elephant, like snake, or like monkey.
Let's bounce a ball. By bouncing a ball, strengthen physical motor skills.
C for clean. Help your parents in cleaning the house, like mopping the floor, dusting the windows, or wiping the surfaces. A clean home is always a happy home.
D for dance. Dance with your family for 15 minutes every day and be happy.
Learn to make envelope in 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Your envelope is ready for your secret message.
F. Fold. Help your parents to fold clothes every day.
G for grating. Help your parents in cooking by grating vegetables. And always be careful while grating or using any sharp objects.
Hug your family members every day, spread love and stay safe.
I. Play I Spy indoor.
Do 5 jumping jacks a day and stay fit.
K for knotting. Help your child to tie the lace of his or her pant. Teach your child to tie the shoelace. Stay healthy, stay safe.
Hello everyone. Spend time in learning something new. L. Let's learn a new word every day.
Close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out and meditate for 5 minutes every day.
N for name. Learn to write your name and your family member's name and stay safe.
Spend a little time making craft using origami paper like paper boat, paper balloon and jumping frog.
P for peeling. Peeling helps in fine motor development. Peel a fruit for your family member or for yourself. Eat lot of fruits. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy.
Q for quiet time. Spend in silence 10 minutes every day doing anything that brings joy to you. Stay at home. Stay safe.
Read a book with your parents every day for 10 minutes.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Take half an hour a day and sing your favorite songs with Mama and Dada.
T. Timetable. Plan your day with the timetable.
U for utensils. All tots children will help their parents in washing utensils or wiping utensils every day.
Help your mother to wash the vegetables every day before cooking. Stay hygiene, stay safe.
W. Water. Water pouring activity improves your concentration and helps in developing your fine motor skills.
Thinking of indoor game? Play EXO with your family and have fun.
Yes. Y for yoga. Practice simple yoga poses like tree pose, happy child pose and bow pose.
Want to improve your finger grip? Open the zip lock and press it gently to seal it back using your thumb, index and middle finger.